Keep them here. And look, guys, turn around. And look, it's snowing in England.
England is my city and I work for tea.
It's snowing.
US will be shaking.
And it's cold. Really cold. But I think this snow will be for another video, so stay tuned. Maybe. Hey, you're... Okay, then. Let's start with the blue one.
Hey.
Okay, give it.
No, you give me.
Ah, it's so sticky.
It's not that sticky.
Ew, it smells so bad.
Look, let me take it out.
Take it out.
It's not that sticky.
Yeah, look at my armor, brother. It smells bad. Wait a second, let me do something with it. This.
Oh, this is like.
Oh, look, guys.
Oh.
And look, we have. Oh crap. We have even
Blue versus green. Which one?
We have even green.
Oh,
Smell
yeah.
it, smell it, smell it, smell it. I know you can't smell it, but it doesn't smell good. But it's so satisfying to play with it. And at the bottom, guys, there's like proper slime. There's like proper slime.
Yeah, the bottom. Look at that some more proper slime.
And my mom's behind the camera. Say hi.
Mom, just say hi.
She doesn't want to say.
She's
Yeah,
not-
guys. So this one here. But look.
Wait, I don't
Listen.
know if you can hear that.
Listen, it makes a noise.
Wait, you know you can do this game.
No!
No, you can't stick it to that.
No, don't mix it.
Because
Come
look,
on.
this is why it shows here. Look, guys, look. Wait, where is it?
And guys, this
So
is
you can mix them.
yellow. This is like the gold color. Whoa, that was near to drop.
No, I'm opening the rest because you
Oh,
opened all
crap.
of them.
This one is hard to open because it's really...
And it's not hard. It's
No,
easy.
this one is... Oh, guys! Look at this! I took the finger off and it's stuck on the lid. With this proper slime here. Ah. Come on. Ooh, it just came out. Look, purple.
Out.
This is purple. And that's red.
Come now, bloody. Ow. Come out. Wait, I got an idea. Punch it in. And then put my finger on the side.
This is sick, guys. So this is for this. And this for that. And this for this. He has like proper slime at the bottom.
And you know, guys, this is so
He has
hard
like
to
proper
take out.
slime. Yes, this was all. So yeah, guys, this was all the colors. And I will see you in my next video, which is with the snow outside. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Snow.